and our community. Yes, equality. John fela sharp mbali atsona go fa a brief update wa thola ne go manje le sa ngi di thusa jwa mo community bele because la contribute a whole le tsa ntse pa so no go pa go ditse fela gore ke eng e le tsang bele yes
repair youth and then repair youth and then we have our skills development that side. The youth can come get computer skills and cashier skills for free, and if they want to get like job plans, they must come here in this center to just connect to our Wi-Fi and look for jobs. And we're helping also with CVs, but unfortunately we're not printing them for now. We send it on your phone, then you print it out, but we
alright, so okay, now you want to can check for food. Okay, now you maybe go to the classes it's
yeah, right now they're on break, but we got hanging.
Okay. So far job ya wa rata bit.
I love helping.
Yeah. So ke bona le batho ba ja.
Charitable.
Yeah, so bona le batho ba ja so we so jwang ka taba di jo la sponsor ra tshetse e tswa jwang.
Yeah. No, we ask from people. We ask from people and the church, to make our lives easier.
Okay. Go can class in the show feel over the tuna in.
On lunch.
To the galaxy. Melang, lekai, fide masuja, tanki zame, di lekai aussi. Melang, okay. Okay, boss, we say it's on our secretary. Okay, but class. Okay, one about the computer skills and all those.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
all right, okay. Ngavutsa manje wena msebenzi wakho mo akufalisitha usi. Oh, batloja.
Yes.
Oh, la bangola fast.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so ngabotsa maybe personally like le gola jwang ntse jwalo or maybe part of like government or la volunteer
social. Yeah, under social.
All under social. Yes. All right, social. Okay. We in caretaker la ekhaya baba. Hello, untshela ukuthi uqale nini ukusebenza lana and umsebenzi wakho yini?
2019
baba. Oh, waphethe ikheza la ma-18 ukadile ukuthi izinto zingatshontshwe into ezinjalo baba.
Njalo.
Yes baba. Okay, ama-challenges onokuhlangana nawo amaphi ithamba lana?
Ama-challenges maningi lapho ngoba kufanele ukuthi noma kwenzakalani ngisho ebusuku uma kuhamba ugesi kufanele ngibuye ngizila. Ngizo-check ukuthi akungeni muntu lapho uzoganga. Ngiyithola lona. Ene lapho akekho umuntu ongisapotayo. Sapotwa nje labo gogo abazele esontweni. Bona abanginika leyo masenti makuphela inyanga.
Oh, maphela inyanga. Oh, incediso yewobogogo.
Yebo.
Uthi uthola ukudla into ezinjalo. Oh, nendawo yokulala baba.
Hayi angilali la.
Oh.
Nginala ngihlala khona.
Oh, wena kunalapho ohlala khona okay, Thambalamba. Oh, so far njengoba esontweni bakuncedisa ne. Phela ukubuza ukuthi iyona le mali baba nokuncedisa ngayo yakhona ukuthi manje yenza amanithi wakho ivale lokhu nalokho or imali nje izongena from hand to mouth nje.
Hayi iyakhona ukuvala iy'dingo zami.
Idingo yakho.
Ya iyakhona ngoba ngiyakhona ukuthenga namathulusi ami ukuthi uthi emini khona la fuze ngiyosebenza khona. Ngiyakwazi ukuthenga amathulusi ukuthi ongishoda ngalo ngihambe ngiyosebenza la.
Uyosebenza baba. Siyabonga for umsebenzi owenzayo TV. Thank you very much.